Knowing the fastest ways to snap windows and split your screen in Windows 10 is a great way to increase your productivity on the platform. The higher your resolution, the more you can get out of splitting your screen. And here I'm going to show you all the ways you can do it in Windows 10. When using your computer, there are times that one screen isn't just not enough. You may need one screen to type something and another to read from. Sure, you could buy another monitor, but what if your current monitor is big enough? If you have space, all you have to do is know how to get the most of it. Windows 10 has some great options that allow you to split your screen into various sections and only use your keyboard to move the windows around. Split workload between virtual desktops. This may not technically be splitting your screen, but rather separating and expanding it across multiple screens. In Windows 10 you can create multiple virtual desktops, which is a great way of dividing your windows and apps, within which you can further split things up. Press the Win key plus Tab to go to Task View, and then the plus icon at the top of the screen. Now you can drag your open windows to the new desktop, splitting your workload as if you had two monitors. You can quickly switch between the two desktops using Control and Win and right or left arrow, and within that you can split your windows even further. Let's find out how. How to enable Snap Assist. The feature that makes splitting possible is Snap Assist. If you're not sure if you have it enabled, press Win and I keys to open settings. When the settings window opens, go to System and then Multitasking. The option should be on by default, but it doesn't hurt to make sure. How to split your screen into two windows. The side-by-side method will require the use of your mouse. Choose the windows you want and use the Win and left and right keys to decide which window goes on each side. When one window is set on one side and you see various available windows on the other side, use the arrow keys to move from one window to another. Press Enter to choose a window, and you can also use the Win plus down arrow to dismiss a window and choose a different one. How to split your screen into four windows. For the times when three windows just isn't enough, it's possible to have four windows open. One way to do this is by having the four windows open and with the mouse manually adjusting to the size you want them to be, drag each window to their respective corners and so on. The previous method required that you use left and right arrows, but with this method you'll be using the up and down arrows. Adjust the size of the windows without moving them anywhere and use the Win and up and down keys to place them where you want. You may want to play around with them until you get the hang of it. If you have two windows open side by side, click on one and press the Win and down arrow keys. The window will stay in the bottom left corner and the remaining open window will appear. The one you choose will take the size of the empty space. Repeat the process with the other remaining window. It's also possible to make one window bigger than the other. Just place the cursor in the corner of the window and adjust it. Adjust the other windows to suit your needs. For more ways to smooth out your Windows 10 experience, see our list of the best ebook readers for Windows 10 and our guide to how to remove old drivers in Windows 10. Links to all of that in the description. Okay, as always, thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.